goes with a little fresh air and scenic beauty. But wouldn't it be nice to get away from it all without losing sleep to an uncomfortable cot or air mattress? This trip, rest easy with Camel Bunk from DiscoBed. DiscoBed is designed around this patented disc to give you an easy, tool-free setup. Like with all DiscoBed cot systems, it all starts with a click. The unique rail system provides stability and flexibility, adjusting and correcting for uneven ground, while the rounded end frame alleviates ground sinking. As one of the only cots on the market without a midbar, Camel Bunk provides a natural contouring sleep system. Our sleep system is easily bunkable to save tent space and supports up to 500 pounds on each level. Or convert the top bunk into a bench for daytime fun. DiscoBed also offers a range of accessories for storage and comfort. For more space under or between cots, accessorize with our optional leg extensions. The great outdoors have always been beautiful. Now they can be comfortable too, with Camel Bunk from DiscoBed.
Has this ever happened to you? You're traveling with friends in Berchtesgaden, and everyone has a different adventure planned for the day. Ming wants to climb a mountain and take pictures. David and Anna want to find a river and enjoy the sun. And you just want to find a Rhine height spot by Eisenbahn. Because you don't go to Berchtesgaden without trying the Rhine height spot. The problem is my phone has no service in Berchtesgaden, and I still want to know what my friends are doing. That's why on this adventure, we each brought a GoTenna Mesh. Once paired with your phone, GoTenna Mesh generates its own radio signal so you can send text and GPS locations using a simple app. No towers, routers, or satellites required. Sent and received. I can send a direct message to David, a group chat to my friends, or broadcast to any GoTenna in the area. GoTenna has great point-to-point communication range, but with this groundbreaking mesh networking technology, it's possible to double or triple your range by hopping through other GoTenna Mesh units in the area. You don't even need to know the other users or do anything. It's automatic and private. So I'm able to receive a message from Ming, who's on top of a mountain, because our friends and other GoTenna Mesh users act as relay points between us. Imagine using this at a music festival or on the slopes. The possibilities are endless. Unlike traditional communication networks, GoTenna Mesh actually gets stronger the more users join it. We call this people-powered connectivity. One more to go, please.
The Eskimo Quickfish 2 pop-up ice shelter is an easy and affordable option for keeping 1 or 2 ice anglers warm on the ice. Setup takes only 60 seconds thanks to the simple hub design originally introduced by Eskimo. Pull out each side hub in succession, then step into the shelter and push up the roof hub. When set up, the Quickfish 2 stands sturdy and rigid against the wind and covers 25 square feet of ice. All Eskimo shelters feature black interiors, making them great for sight fishing and keeping light out of your holes. The shelter can be secured to the ice with the included industry-leading Eskimo ice anchors. Tie-down ropes are also included for heavy wind days. On warmer days, the 4 windows can be removed for ventilation. The door is secured by durable YKK zippers. The Quickfish 2 features ice-tight fabric with a 59% higher thread count than comparable competitor shelters. This tighter weave helps repel wind and water and also reduces weight by 19%. The extra long skirt further eliminates drags. All of these features combine to make ice fishing inside the Quickfish 2 comfortable. When you're ready to go, the shelter pops down in seconds and fits into a slim cinch bag that can be easily carried on your back. The Quickfish 2 only weighs 18 pounds, so transportation won't wear you out. As the originator of pop-up portable ice fishing shelters, you can trust Eskimo's quality and reliability. Fish with ease and comfort with the Quickfish 2 pop-up shelter today.